Ngicela obabukele emakhaya igama Nkosiyazi wakwaMakhanya co-partner yakwa Chila Nathi Festival. Chila Nathi Festival organize a company ebizwa Chila Nathi Concept, the company that has been doing into ebizwa ngokuthi Chila Nathi Cookout Experience. Si pilotileke ngaphandle kwase South Coast, and then Chila Nathi Festival sayiqala la sesi hosted for 3 years. It's an annual event eyenzeka ngawo uNovember. Kuchila Nathi event ehlukile kunamanye soke nje lapha si expose osomabhizinisi, especially laba from ukudla, fashion, arts, nokunye. We even have ama corporate packages where mhlambe if company ethile ifuna ukuhosta year-end function nani, we've got amatende abakhona and space available for bona. Hey, I've been organizing my event for quite some time. It looks very easy, more good, but hey, it's stressful. It needs discipline. It needs a particular skill of coordinating izinto zihlanganise, because one, you need to be strong on the ground in terms of marketing and also be able to negotiate with our suppliers, because fanele bekhona sound, ama screens, amatende, and also the compliance. Yona nto ebaluleke kakhulu ngoba I've seen ama events amanye evalwa, not because abaphathi they're against the event, but because kunezinto ezilandela. For instance, ama bylaws nje, of which yona nto engeke ngibone bashaya abafethu, of which you need to adhere to them. If ukuthi indawo kuthiwa akufanele disturb at the ground, you mustn't find a way to play around that bylaw. I-compliance ibaluleke kakhulu ngoba one, i-protector wena as event organizer, iphinde futhi i-protect nabantu aba-attendile. For instance, you definitely need to have a safety office. You definitely need to have what is called a liability insurance. Let's say kusuka itende lapha liyakushaya because kunomoya, manje umuntu uzoswisha wena. Kani if we are protected on a liability insurance, uyakwazi ukuthi uyoclaim la ukhona. But safety officer udila nento eziningi, issues of fire, ukuthi bafuna ama fire extinguishers, amanzi nawo ufake beseduze, and also ke handling of food, because thina we're dealing with food kakhulu. Ama stores ethu amaningi kuba ushisa nyama, abapheka amakota, ama pizza. So i-handling of food, safety office la iqinisa khona isandla ngoba siyazi ukuthi ke aba khona no food poisoning nani. So usuke ufuna ukubona ngempela ukuthi ekhanda okufakile ezandleni, preparation of your food nani, akekho umuntu ozophuma ukuchila nathi sethi hey seguliswa isisu because khona i-carelessness yenzakalile. Sifta ayinde kodwa ayinde. It's been almost 2 years besupport. Irresponsibility yabo kakhulu ukuthi basilethele ama SMMEs asebesebenze nawo. As I've mentioned ukuthi thina sikugcineni konyaka. So bonke abantu abasuke bebasupportile nani thina we give them space ukuthi bazoziveza. If you've been given mhlambe let's say branding, or you've been given a particular training, Chila Nathi is a space where konke okade ukwenza uyokhombisa ke lapho ukuthi khona okufundile, noma to showcase if une branding ama umbrella nani. Yeah, so basupporta ngaloko ukuthi basilethela ama SMMEs, baphinde siyafisa futhi sesiqhubeka ukuthi basisupport na ukuthi nathi basinike mhlambe izinto ezifana no branding, your umbrellas, nako ke nje ama equipment esiwadingayo ukuze i-event yethu be success. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi i-event yethu is more based kuma SMMEs. Sibone i-number of stalls ikhuphuka. Ukuthi we normally have 40 to 45, but because bafikile bona sibe nama stalls of 62. And the quality of stalls, because sometimes we do what is called food tasting and siyavisit emakhaya uyobona ukuthi ophekelaphi ngempela uyafitha yini kule category yethu esifunayo. So sibonile ama stores asilethela wona bene quality ngempela, because especially khona abanye nje bebenza i-clothing, ama t-shirt bemahle kakhulu, and even i-presentation yabo ke manje sebe set up becaca ukuthi khona la bephuma khona there is i-training abayitholile nabantu abasebhizinisini ngempela not ukuthi uthatha ichance nje ngoba azi ukuthi uzodayisa. USifda ke bafowethu mina ngingasho nje ukuthi uma uqala ibhizinisi yona office ekufanele uqale uye kulona ngoba they take you through even kwi-registration, they take you through even imithetho, they take you through even ukuthi ulidayisa kanjani ibhizinisi. The part mase bekusuka kuchila nathi akusuke sobeyograduate. So umuntu ngempela oqalayo nje nosene idea othola ukuthi awukabe nalutho usenombono nawo iya laphana and staff sakhona is very friendly. Mawufika ngebakuthethisa ukuthi hayi ngiyisebenza lonto but they will show you ways ukuthi ingasebenza kanjani and nathi njengoba sisebenza nabo nje we learning a lot from bona ngoba bona they deal with ama-business amaningi. Sometimes ufike ukholelwe entweni bese kuthi okay I know le ingasebenza kodwa how can you we top up ngaloko ukuze uphuma sewuphila kahle kahle. Lo nyaka sobe senza unyaka wethu wesine. Kuyaphoqa ukuthi ngempela fire school as kuphoqa ukuthi fire school sinezinto eziningi ke esiziplanile. For instance nje ukuthi fanele kube ne launch enkulu ekuyona ezo reveal ama sponsors, reveal abantu esebenzisana nabo and also ibe nama testimonies because now ijourney sesihambile sesinabo abantu that ababe trader kwichila nathi benamatafula but namhlanje sebenendawo zabo. Yebo lonto ingane zethu lezo esizikhulisile nathi. So those are the type of people esifisa ukuthi masenza i-launch media launch sazi ukuthi ama-testimonies abo aqhamuka lapho and also ke even the setup it has to change manje fayikhombisa i-growth ne-line-up ngoba siyasibe nane-line-up fanele ikhombise ngempela ukuthi i-growth of which umsebenzi suvele uqalile nale compliance ke engihlele ngichisela kakhulu isiqalile nayo. And also we've been very privileged kulo nyaka ukuthi kune MDK's awards eseThekwini esirecognizile this year ukuthi siyavotelwa nakhona. That's one of milestone nathi enkulu sivule ngayo nje unyaka ukuthi sinominate nathi bandla sibancane siyabonga kodwa ke it's gonna be big and better. Sinayo Facebook page sikhona na Instagram na TikTok sikhona futhi as Chila Nathi Festival. Yes, those are the social media pages wethu all asitholakala khona but i date hayi isikhona izo announce very soon.